When the air is white, use the Parkour Dehumidifier. Strong power, quick dehumidification, instant enjoyment of dry life. Simple design, more suitable for different home style. Oversized LED touchscreen with one button to start and stop. All around the ring out of the wind. Air convection even more comfortable. The dehumidification effect will be better. 30% to 80% are age adjustable. Wide range humidity control. 1 to 24 hours timing function. 4.5-liter large water tank. No need to pour water frequently. It's more convenient to stop when water is full. External pipeline to achieve a long time dehumidification, not stop. 350-degree wire-resistant universal wheel. Free movement, anytime and anywhere to enjoy the new dehumidification experience. Super quiet. Enjoy a sweet sleep. Connect to mobile app. Alexa, turn on the dehumidifier. When the air is white, use the Parkour Dehumidifier. Please contact us.